What if I told you, you could build $1 billion AI business, completely solo? No co-founder. No massive team. No venture capital. Just you, and the right tools. Sounds impossible? Good. Because impossible is exactly where new billionaires are made. Today, I'll show you how to build a one-person AI empire from scratch. Using the same strategies founders are using right now, to make millions while they sleep. And at the end, I'll reveal the exact tool that made me $100 automatically. Watch till the end for that, you don't want to miss it. Let's open with 3 quick questions. 1. What would your business look like if you never had to trade hours for money again? 2. What could you build if 90% of your work was automated? And 3. How fast could you grow if AI did your heavy lifting? The answers? They're simpler than you think. Because this new era of AI is designed for solo operators. One person can now do the work of 50. But only if you understand how to orchestrate the machine. And today, you'll learn how to do it. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I drop AI money-making tools every single week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and click the bell button. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Understand the shift. AI isn't just a new technology. It's a new kind of leverage. It multiplies time, knowledge, and creativity. And that means, one person can now compete with entire startups. The playing field just leveled. So how do you play the game? Rule number 1. Build a product, not a service. Services cap your income at your time. Products scale without permission. That's where the billion-dollar potential lies. So instead of asking, how can I sell my skill? Ask, how can I automate my skill? Example, instead of writing content for clients, build an AI that writes it for them. Instead of editing videos manually, build a script that edits automatically. Productize your value. That's your foundation. Step 2, automate everything possible. Because automation is your invisible team. Every repetitive task you do today is a process waiting to be automated. Onboarding? Automated. Billing? Automated. Customer support? Automated. Scheduling? Automated. The less you touch, the more it scales. The tools are everywhere: Zapier, Make, ChatGPT, Lindy. No-code tools are your new employees. And they work 24/7, no coffee breaks needed. Build your automation stack like a digital factory. Once it runs, it never sleeps. That's the magic of solo scale. Step 3, design for growth loops. What's a growth loop? It's how your product grows itself. When one user invites another, automatically. Think referrals. Think viral features. Think reward systems that encourage sharing. Each user becomes your marketer. That's how one person can reach millions. Without a marketing department. Because the product itself does the talking. Let's make it practical. Start by finding a pain point you deeply understand. Something you've experienced. Something that wastes your time, or others. That's your goldmine. Because if you feel the pain, others do too. Build an AI tool to fix it. Keep it narrow. Solve one problem, better than anyone else. Then automate the delivery. Don't overcomplicate it. Simplicity scales. Launch fast. Get 10 users. Listen. Improve. That's the cycle. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. And remember, momentum beats perfection. The people winning right now aren't the smartest. They're the fastest. They test, tweak, and relaunch in days. Big companies take months. That's your solo advantage. Use it. And don't fear automation replacing you. Build the automation that replaces everyone else. That's leverage. That's how you win. Let's pause a second. If this is hitting home, like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because I'm about to share the blueprint for going from idea to income. Step 1. Pick your niche. Choose something specific enough that you can dominate fast. Step 2. Outline 3 automation layers. 1. Lead generation automation. 2. Product or service delivery automation. 3. Customer support automation. That's your triangle of scalability. Step 3. Build version 1 using no-code tools. Tools like Bubble, Glide, or GPT-based frameworks. Don't worry about perfection. Just make it work once. Once it works, automate marketing. Create videos, posts, or short-form content explaining your tool. Use AI to generate them daily. Consistency beats creativity here. The more content you post, the more data you collect. That data tells you what your audience wants. Build what they ask for, not what you imagine. And every update compounds your credibility. Within months, you'll look like a team, even though you're solo. That's the secret to perception scaling. People buy from brands that look bigger than they are. AI lets you fake scale until you make scale. Then one day, it's real. Here's a mini case study. Meet Alex. He was a freelance writer. Trading time for money. He used GPT to build an AI content tool for coaches. It wrote social posts automatically. Within 6 months, 500 users signed up. He turned that into a $10,000 per month business. Still solo. Then, he automated onboarding, payments, and support. Now the system runs 95% on its own. Alex just updates and markets. That's the blueprint. Small problem. Simple automation. Scalable system. Repeat. The formula never changes. It's not luck. It's leverage. And leverage is everything. Let's talk mindset. Being solo doesn't mean being alone. You're a one-person orchestra. You conduct technology. The tools play the music. You just choose the tempo. Don't wait for investors. Don't wait for permission. Just start. The cost of inaction is higher than failure. Because AI moves fast. Blink, and someone else builds your idea. So launch ugly. Learn loudly. Iterate quickly. That's how solo builders win. Here's your checklist. Step 1. Pick a painful problem. Step 2. Draft an AI-powered fix. Step 3. Use no code to build it fast. Step 4. Automate delivery. Step 5. Launch and gather feedback. Step 6. Add viral loops. Step 7. Scale automation. Step 8. Reinvest profit into growth. That's the loop that compounds wealth. Now let's hit some quick-fire tips. Tip 1. Use ChatGPT for brainstorming and scripting. Tip 2. Use Pika Labs or Pictory for video creation. Tip 3. Use Zapier or Make for backend automation. Tip 4. Use Notion AI to track everything. Tip 5. Use Synthesia or 11 Labs for content voices. You're not just building tools, you're building a system of systems. One that multiplies effort with zero extra cost. And that's what billion-dollar leverage looks like. But remember this, billion isn't about size. It's about scale potential. Even a $1,000 a day system is a mini empire. Scale it, automate it, globalize it. That's your path. Now, the moment I promised. The tool that made me $100 automatically. Ready? It's an automation I built using a GPT agent and Stripe. It handled my onboarding emails and auto-sent upsell offers. Within 48 hours, it made $100 without me lifting a finger. That was my aha moment. When I realized, my business could literally run itself. That's the power of intelligent automation. You don't need to dream, you just need to deploy. And once you've done it once, you can do it forever. Because systems don't sleep. They scale. While you rest. While you travel. While you think of your next idea. That's the life automation builds. And it starts now. If you're still watching, that means you're serious. So here's your action item. Open your notes. Write down one problem you can automate today. 1. Then find a tool and start. You don't need permission. You need execution. The billion-dollar solo business is just a series of small, smart automations. Stack them, and success becomes inevitable. Before we close, remember, this channel is your AI blueprint. If you want to catch the next wave before it breaks, hit subscribe and click the bell button right now. I drop the newest AI money tools every week. Some of them vanish fast, so don't miss out. And hey, if you've learned something today, drop a comment below with your one takeaway. I read every single one. Because community beats competition. And that's how solo founders grow together. Let's recap real quick. Build a product, not a service. Automate everything possible. Design for growth loops. Move fast. Iterate faster. Let AI handle the boring stuff. You focus on building the empire. That's the model. That's the moment. And this is your time. The AI revolution won't wait. But if you move now, you can lead it. Start today. Because tomorrow's builders are already automating tonight. So stop scrolling. Start building. You've got the map. You've got the tools. You've got the mindset. Now make it happen. I'll see you at the top. Because the next billionaire might just be you. Stay sharp. Stay creative. And keep automating. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. See you then.